Hello everyone, my name is Aldreaka Hill and I have created this backdrop. I traveled from Montgomery, Alabama. I met Precious on Facebook and I always see all of the designs she have. So I decided that I wanted to take the class. I think this will improve my business because I can venture out to more larger party planning with learning this design. Okay, so the learning experience for the class, it was easy the more I did hands-on. Watching her doing hands-on practicing gave me a better understanding of it. For anybody that is doubting or thinking they shouldn't take it, I really encourage you to take this hands-on class. It's a better understanding of how to create luxurious backdrops.
If you're looking for more information on how you can enroll in the next Draping Masterclass, click that link below and check out the location that's closest to you and secure your spot with a minimal deposit. And I hope to see you guys in the inside.